Welcome and welcome back. Today I'm doing a nude brown set and I'll be showing you how I do my nails using my non-dominant hand. I am left-handed, so usually my videos show me working on my right hand, so this video will be showing me working on my left hand. I think anyone who does their own nails, unless they're ambidextrous, struggles with working on their dominant hand. I can remember being a kid and painting my own nails, and when it was time to do my left hand, it was just a mess. So when I first started doing my own acrylics, when I tried to work on my left hand, it was a mess. I got acrylic all over the place, all on my cuticles, and it was lumps of product all on the nail, and then it took me forever to file it smooth and into a good shape. I'm still not perfect, but over time with more practice, I've gotten more comfortable. I still hold my tools weird, I hold the brush weird, I hold the drill weird, or at least differently than I do in my left hand. It's weird to me, but it's not as comfortable in my hand, in my right hand, as it is in my left hand, but I make it work. So as you can see, I've applied the tips and cut them to the length I want. I've prepped the nail beds with dehydrator and primer and applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. And I'm going to start off with this brown polish from Sinful Colors. It is called Hot Toffee. And I'm going to apply that to the thumb, middle finger, and pinky. Next, I'm taking this leaf glitter. I believe I got this glitter as a free gift when I ordered other glitter from a seller on eBay. But this glitter is black, brown, and yellow. The yellow is iridescent, and each of the leaves have all the other colors on them. So it's really cute. But I'm gonna apply this to the index nail and the ring fingernail and then encapsulate them. Next, I'm encapsulating the nails with the brown polish on them. When I apply acrylic using my right hand, I just move slower. I use smaller beads because I can't control the acrylic as well as I can with my dominant hand. And so me using smaller beads means I use more beads. It doesn't turn out perfectly smooth. It ends up being a little lumpy, which means I have to file a little bit more with the drill, but I just make sure I take my time and get the acrylic everywhere I need it to be, in the coverage that I want and in the shape that I want. When it's time to file with the drill, I do the same thing that I do when I apply acrylic. I take my time, move slow and deliberate, especially with the drill because I get really close to the cuticle. I don't use a safety bit, but that comes with years of practice. And trust me, I used to cut my cuticles up something bad, especially on the left hand. But now I usually get really close and can move pretty fast and do it and not even touch my cuticle, even now with that left hand. But I still move a lot slower when I'm working on this hand, and I just take my time, hold the drill weird in my hand, and just file away. Alright, all done. That is the finished look on my dominant hand, performed by my non-dominant hand. When it comes to working with your other hand, the best I can say is just it takes time and practice and repetition. I used to dread working on my left hand. Now I don't even think about it any differently than I do working on the right one. I'll post pictures at the end of the video showing both of my hands so you can see if there is any difference between how each one turned out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and click the bell so you get a notification as soon as I post a new one. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.